Hello everyone, welcome back to Super Hammy's channel. Today we have something truly special that many subscribers have requested in the past. We will be unboxing and reviewing what might be the best mechanical keyboard you can get for under $60. If you don't want to spend hundreds of dollars on a mechanical keyboard, make sure to watch this video till the end. Are you ready to elevate your gaming and typing experience? Meet the Aukey KMG12 RGB mechanical gaming keyboard, a perfect blend of style, functionality, and precision. Inside the box, you'll find essential items such as a small user manual, the keyboard itself, and a switch puller. The puller makes it easy to remove keycaps for replacement or cleaning, and you can also use it to swap out switches. The Aukey KMG12 is available with 3 different switch options: blue, brown, and red. I'm using the clicky blue switches, which produce satisfying clicky sounds and offer excellent tactile feedback. The keyboard itself feels very sturdy and has a premium quality, especially for its price. Beneath the key switches, you'll find an aluminum metal plate that adds weight and enhances the keyboard's premium feel. And what's a gaming keyboard without epic lighting, right? The KMG12 is equipped with 8 stunning color presets and 19 lightning configurations, but it doesn't stop there. Download the Aukey software for full control over dazzling 16.8 million color RGB spectrum, customizable brightness, speed, and even lightning effects. The Aukey KMG12 isn't just about looks. With 104 key rollover and anti-ghosting, every command is registered flawlessly, keeping you one step ahead of the competition. Built to last, this keyboard features durable ABS keycaps and a robust steel frame, providing excellent abrasion resistance and long-term reliability. You must be wondering, how does this sound like? Now it is time to hear how does this keyboard sound. So the conclusion really is, it's rare to review a product without finding any downsides, but honestly, this is an excellent mechanical keyboard and I had no issues with it whatsoever. If I had to be really picky, I'd say I wish there were a wireless version of it. Other than that, I highly recommend this keyboard to anyone on a budget or looking for a great deal. It's priced at $59 on the official website, but you can often find better deals on eBay or Amazon. If you have liked this video, then please do like this video, click on share, and definitely subscribe to my channel as it will help me immensely. Until then, see you next time.